Yes, yes.
Yes,
Trust
ma'am.
me, I am not going to take any lectures. तो वो प्रेजेंटेशन दिखा करके मैं लोगों को या घबराना नहीं चाहती हूँ. बहुत लोगों ने स्कूल कॉलेजेस में प्रेजेंटेशंस अटेंड किए हैं. तो दिस इज लाइक अ प्लेस वेयर वील बी टॉकिंग and some handy tips will be given about the celebrity lifestyle and Q&A, of course, and no presentation is, completed without Q&A. So I am absolutely, you can say excited to discuss, talk, and it has to be two-way communication. A communication is not at all successful when you people are not talking. And believe me, पूरा जो भी आप time दे रहे हो उसमें सबको एक एक को बुलवाना है मुझे. I'm a strict mentor, seems to be, right? All right. So, guys, tell me, what is celebrity lifestyle? I mean, what is बात को सुन के समझ के क्या फील होता है? क्या फील होता है? अच्छा, उससे पहले तो आप लोग सोच रहे होगे कि ये स्पीकर कौन है जो इतना पैक 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 कर रहा है. थोड़ा स्पीकर के बारे में भी पता होना चाहिए. अभी यहाँ पे किसी ने इंट्रोडक्शन नहीं दिया है तो मैं इंट्रोडक्शन दे ही देती हूँ अपना. आर यू गाइज अवेयर हु एम आई? हाँ, आर यू गाइज अवेयर हु इज दिस स्पीकर? थोड़ा कुछ रिसर्च करके आए हो कि नहीं आए हो? हाँ, you guys have done little research or not? Tell me. I think you contestants are there with me or not? कोई बात नहीं कर रहा
Yes,
है.
yes, we are with you.
Yes, Krishna, trust me, brownie point is added to your kitty. You are the first one for brownie points. So when we meet, I'll give a small hamper to you. You know, you deserve that because
Oh
you are
my
the
God.
opening batsman.
Thank you so much.
What about others now? अभी अभी अब दूसरों को थोड़ा तो लालच होना चाहिए कि मैम क्या ब्राउनी पॉइंट दे रही है. So how
Brownie
about
points,
others?
even if there is no brownie points, brownie is also enough.
Good, good, good. So whenever you guys are on cheat, then brownie is also enough, right? Huh?
Yes.
It has to
Yeah,
be on its.
but for that, Sonal has to see the faces, right? So you guys have to switch on the video.
मत शर्माओ, दिखा दो अपना फेस. वैसे भी हमें बहुत अच्छा लगेगा आप लोगों का फेसेस देख करके. And if you're not comfortable with Hindi, I can speak English. I can speak in Hindi also. Unfortunately, I don't know Udiya speaking, so मुझे वो नहीं आती है. Bengali I can try. Marathi I can try.
Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Who is there? आप मुझे अपना beautiful से चेहरा दिखाओ. जल्दी से. So, I wanted to tell you, I am Dr. Sonal Purohit, and I'm a lifestyle coach. And I have I have my own company. My company's name is Sattva Lifestyle Management, and we have three verticals in it. Sorry to interrupt. Are you guys comfortable with English? If not, please hold me, okay? Yes or no,
Yeah,
कम से
yeah,
कम हाँ
yeah.
या ना बोल दो तो मैं
Yes,
fluently
ma'am.
फिर. Okay, okay,
Comfortable.
okay, great. So I have a company named Sattva Lifestyle Management, and we are almost 5-6 year old company, and we have three verticals with my company. The first vertical is on celebrity lifestyles. We handle celebs, we handle people like models, people contestants like you, aspiring models, and we train them on a lifestyle. The second vertical of my company is we handle individual clients who have got a lot of medical ailments. They come with medical ailments and they need a lifestyle change. Number one. Number two, in personal client handling, if somebody wants to go for a six-pack abs, we help them. Number three, if somebody wants to reduce the body weight, we help them. Number four, somebody wants to gain muscles and little, a little weight in their body, we help them. Number five, keeping everything apart. I mean, if a person is healthy, but a person wants a lifestyle change, we help them out. The USP of my company is that we do not endorse any sorts of artificial products. No artificial products. We only talk about good food, good food and good food. And we help a client to develop a relationship with their own self. So that's it's a 180-degree program which we offer. And for further information, you can definitely you can Google out. I have a website, www.satwalifestyle.com. Okay, so this is the second aspect or second vertical of my company. The third vertical is that we have corporate clients also. We talk on corporate wellness. So to include some corporate clients, I have Deutsche, I have given MDP to Barclays, IDBI, Zeltas Technology, and to name some of these are. So we have three verticals, and we are purely into holistic lifestyle. And I in this platform and in various platform, I have always told one thing, that anybody who comes to me, I never talk about, any sorts of pills, shots, or any sorts of, you can say, artificial food. We just give good food. We just give them a scientific exercises, and we give them, good hand holding, because motivational hand holding is really important to achieve a real good lifestyle. So this is about my company. I have just written it about what are the services we offer. So I have already told you orally, so I don't have to talk much more about it. I have attended I have you can say I have been hired for various pageants. I have done various pageants. I've done it for Taj. I have done it for Persona. I've done it for Vastavya. Right now, I'm doing it for Sylphenia. Then I'm right now. I'll be doing it for Fanta also, and this is going to be in the upcoming month. So I've done it. I've done it various pageants, and many model celebs have come under me. And I've just put up a small collage that these are my premium client. I have some premium client. I've got international player who is in blue jersey. He's an international judo player, Manish Man. He's my client. Then a person who is in white, entire white cloth. He's the owner of Hindustan International Hotel, which is a chain of hotel, Mr. Jaiswal. Nobody will say he's 74-year-old, but yes, he's 74-year-old, and he's my client, and he's going for an entire body recomposition. To add on, yes, I was awarded by Tushar and Aman Verma for my good work. And that's it. छोटा सा introduction है, और कुछ नहीं है. Yeah, just to add on, I have in fact we also offer lot of, you can say, self-developed relationship also in this company. People lack good relationship with their own self, so we help these clients to develop a good relationship, like by reducing the stress, by reducing the anxiety. So it's sort of a life coaching also, which we do it. Now, before proceeding about I've given a brief introduction, but before proceeding, I would like to know, what are your expectation? What do you feel that celebrity lifestyle में क्या होने वाला है? Yes, Avinash, बोलिए. कुछ भी बोलिए. मैं प्योर वेजिटेरियन हूँ. मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगी, और ये वर्चुअल प्रेजेंटेशन है. You're not audible. मुझे सुनाई नहीं
Avinash,
दे
you're
रहा है.
muted.
Oh, sorry. Okay. So I don't know anything because I'm a fresher in this field. I want to gain a knowledge. That is what I can do.
Okay.
See, seriously, I don't know anything. That's it. I'm a full fresher. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. In fact, freshers have more creativity, in this field. So any people who are doing already existing model, aspiring models, तो सभी है, सब contestants तो aspiring models ही हैं. How many people are existing model? कितने हैं? कोई है क्या इसमें? Yes. Yes or no? How many are aspiring model?
हेलो
जी बोलिए. हाँ.
आप थोड़ा हिंदी में भी बोलो ना.
बिल्कुल, मैं तो यही पूछ रही थी. मेरे इंग्लिश बोलने में अगर दिक्कत है तो मैं हिंदी अवश्य बोलना चाहूंगी. और मैं ये पूछना चाहूंगी, यहाँ पे कौन कौन एस्पायरिंग मॉडल्स तो हैं, कौन कौन एग्जिस्टिंग मॉडल्स हैं?
हम लोग तो है.
बताइए कौन कौन है यहाँ पर एग्जिस्टिंग मॉडल्स, या सब फ्रेशर है? ओके, कोई बात नहीं, चलिए लेट्स बिगिन विद इट. What is celebrity
Guys, I
lifestyle?
think this session will be interactive. If you please speak up. So if Dr. Sonal is asking something, please respond. So that the session is interactive and it's conducted in a fun way.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely.
Right. Okay. So I think Renu, they are quite scared of me. मेरा बहुत appearance scary लग रहा है क्या?
नहीं, actually she is so pretty. So you guys need not get scared from her, right? So just interact with her. She is there to help you out and provide you with some knowledge and information. So just interact with her.
Okay, guys. So what is celebrity lifestyle? So I will be only talking about celebrity lifestyle is like when a person starts celebrating, becomes a celebrity. This is what I purely feel it. Yes or no? So जो इंसान जो मतलब यहाँ पे ये कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं आता है कि मैं फिल्म में काम करता हूँ या मैं रैम्पिंग करता हूँ तो मैं सेलिब्रिटी हूँ. When you start celebrating, मेरे लिए तो if somebody tells me who is celebrity, I feel everyone is celebrity. Everyone enjoys life. Everyone is with full of positivity. Everyone is with full of, you can say, zeal and energy. It is just like channelizing your energy, nothing else. So that's where your celebration comes. When you start celebrating, you're definitely, you can say that you are a celebrity. So celebrity lifestyle में मैं तीन चीज ही cover up करूंगी जो आपके initial stage के लिए काफी basic है. The first thing is that I'll be talking about what are the basic things which is actually required for celebrity lifestyle. There are three major things which is required. Number one is your confidence. Number two is your communication skills. And number three is your, healthy living. So now we'll talk about, I'll just share you few pointers about the confidence building, which is one of the integral part of your celebrity lifestyle. क्योंकि आप celebrity बन जाओगे but आपको confidence ही नहीं है ramping करने का, आपको confidence ही नहीं है screen handle करने का, आपको confidence ही नहीं है press media handle करने का, so that becomes that do not become that famous celebrity. So this is the stepping stone for your life. So these pointers will 100% going to help you if you guys are going to implement in your life, correct? So first aspect of celebrity lifestyle is your confidence, building up your confidence, how you guys are going to build up your confidence. And why am I emphasizing on confidence is that this is the most important backbone for any show. If you're doing it any show, and this is just a beginning of your show. ये तो आपकी बस शुरुआत है. ऐसे करके करते करते आप बहुत आगे जाएंगे और जाना है. I mean, if you guys are if I being a coach, I'm 100% sure you guys are going to like, stepping up your stone, आगे बढ़ते बढ़ते बढ़ते, and you can fulfill all your desires and fulfill all your, aspiration. Yes, संयुक्ता, आपने हैंड रेस किया है. यस संयुक्ता मोहिंती, आपने हाथ रेस किया है. आप कुछ जानना चाहती हैं या कुछ पूछना चाहती हैं? Okay, when she comes to a form, then she might question. Let me proceed. So how to be confident, and this confidence is going to help you out for cracking the question answers also, because that's the area where the exact things toss up, brain with beauty जिसको हम बोलते हैं. और आज भी हम लोग, there are many question answers which we love it. If you talk about 1994 का सुष्मिता सेन का क्वेश्चन आंसर हो गया, या आपके मंजूषी चिल्लर का अभी का हो गया, तो लारा दत्ता का हो गया, these people have spoken so well with beauty and with that iconic level they have done it. So that's where the confidence has reflected. ऐसे तो beauty pageants तो बहुत हुए हैं. It's been years the beauty pageants are going on, but there are certain people in this area which they have spoken up so very well. Sanjukta, you have raised your hand again. Can I know आप क्या जानना चाहती हैं? Okay. So beauty with brain is equally very important. So when the question answer round comes, your confidence plays a key role. With that, when you are ramping, I'm not a ramp director, but I've always seen a show, and my observations are there that freshers, whenever freshers they come, they always talk about कि नहीं हमें confidence नहीं होता है. वही तो आपको build up करना है, because that is the only thing you have to portray it out. So that's where you get you can say a platform, where you get a place to stand. That's where you need to prove it out. That's where you need to just hit it. You have to hit the nail, because ये ramping का मौका फिर आपको कब आएगा आपको खुद को नहीं पता है. So that's where the journey of your celebrity starts. That's where your celebrity lifestyle starts. So it's not only about wearing fancy clothes or putting up a lot of makeup. It's all about how well you're carrying, how good you are carrying, how presentable you are, and with that, how well you're keeping a piece of smile in your face. वो 180 degree wide up होना चाहिए. That Colgate smile दिखनी चाहिए when you are there. चाहे कितनी भी anxiety क्यों ना हो, like अब क्या होगा, अब क्या होगा. Because models and aspiring models, they feel very, shaky, very nervous when they are near the ramping stage. और जब वो audience के आगे खड़े हो जाते हैं, जब उनके आगे कोई भी फिल्म के स्टार्स आ जाते हैं, when they start questioning, तो वहां पे वो जो diciness आ जाता है. That's where you need to win the edge. And how you're going to win the edge? How to be confident. That's the first aspect of being a celebrity lifestyle. So the first point which I would like to talk is that be prepared. एकदम ऐसे रॉ बन के नहीं जाना है. ओके, चाहे आपको लगे कि आप खुद ही विनर हो, बट प्रिपरेशन इज मस्ट. Without preparing, you cannot be like an empty slate out there. So that's the first कहते हैं ना, पहली निशानी होती है कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड अप करने की. हम जब एग्जाम्स जाते हैं तो क्या करते हैं, प्रिपरेशन के साथ तो हम अच्छे से लिख पाते हैं. व्हेन वी आर नॉट prepared, then we are not able to write the answers. So same over here. So make sure you prepare quite well whatever you are doing. और आपके फिनालिस भी पास में ही है, तो इसके लिए अब आप काफी ग्रिल अप होना शुरू कर दो, बिकॉज दिस इज जस्ट अ स्टार्ट, एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइस, दिस इज जस्ट अ स्टार्ट. जब आपको बहुत सारे आगे आगे बहुत अच्छे अच्छे आपको प्लेटफॉर्म्स मिलने वाले हैं, when you will be coming into the media, when you'll be coming into glam, when you will be coming into limelight, so your confidence will be helping you out immensely. Second is speak slowly. Yeah, I know, I mean, this point I have to develop, because I talk too much, and at times I talk too fast, but then that's my job. I'm an orator also. But it's not there in your case. Okay, you're a models, so you have to speak slowly, you have to speak steadily, कि हमको सामने वालों को क्वेश्चन आंसर राउंड में समझ में आए कि आप क्या बोल रहे हो और हम क्या समझ रहे हैं. Because it's a law of communication, receiver and sender, there should not be any distortion in message. So I am being a receiver of your message, you being a sender of your message. तो अगर मुझे distortions दिखने लग गया message में by you not what you speaking, उसमें बहुत ऐसे ऐसे बातें आ गए, तो फिर तो it will be, you can understand, you will also lose the confidence, और सामने वाला will also lose confidence on you. So हमको वैसा केस लाना नहीं है. Okay, so you guys have to speak little slowly, so that सामने वाले को आपकी बात अच्छे से समझ में आनी चाहिए and perceive होनी चाहिए. So slow and steadily always wins the race. So there's no point if you know the answer, चलो मैं फटाफट vomit करके मैं वो stage खाली कर दूं. नहीं, that 30 second is like your stage. That 30 second is you have to turn around. I mean, the public must go gaga on your answers. You don't know who is watching you, so just think on those lines, and do not think any platform is small. All the platforms are like an opportunity. So make sure whenever you are speaking, you're speaking little slowly. बहुत simple pointers है, but मैं उसको थोड़ा सा reinforcement कर रही हूँ ताकि आपको और preparation के लिए आसानी हो. Then comes smile. I always say that everything is faded when you get a good genuine smile in your face. So मुस्कुराते रहिए. मुस्कुराना बहुत अच्छी चीज होती है. मुस्कुराने से कॉन्फिडेंस भी बढ़ता है, खुद के ऊपर एक हिम्मत भी आ जाती है, एंड माइंड काफी काम हो जाता है. क्योंकि एंजाइटी अगर करोगे तो पूरी बॉडी मैकेनिज्म एंजाइटी को सॉल्व करने में लग जाएगी. स्माइल करोगे तो बाकी मैकेनिज्म बहुत कूलली काम करेगा. तो when you're putting up a very good piece of smile, trust me, it really works. It works wonder. I'm not flaunting over here, or I'm not pleasing somebody out here. I'll take the name of that person a little later. When I was in Goa, and I met with a model, and we became very good friends, and one thing was really mesmerizing. I was really mesmerized by her smile. By the way, she is no other than Renu. I mean, the level of smile she holds is like really. I mean, वो
Thank
रैम्प
you,
में एकदम
Sonal.
वो sizzle up हो जाता है एक रैम्प में जब वो वॉक करती हैं तो. And now we have become a very good friends, of course. But the
Yes.
smile quality must be learned when you guys are meeting personally with Renu, in the finale.
Thank you so much. And so is yours. Wonderful and beautiful.
Okay, so listen actively also how that's also one of the way where you are actually raising your confidence. Ki question again disabled me. Yes, the host has again disabled me.
I think the free meeting got ended. Maybe that is a problem. It was
Yeah.
for 40 minutes, right? So
Yeah, the host, please help me to share the screen. Okay, I got it. Sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah, so you guys have to be active listener. And why I'm telling you active listener, because I have attended so many pageants, and I feel sometimes people don't understand the question when it is being asked. अगर आप किसी को एप्पल मांगोगे और आपको ऑरेंज मिलेगा, तो that is absolutely a mismatch. So वहां पे confidence का भी haywire हो जाएगा. Your body language, your entire answer gets haywire. So listen very actively कि what a person is asking, what a judge is asking, जो वहां पे जूरी जो बैठे हैं वो क्या जानना चाहते हैं. तो अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आता, आप एक्सक्यूज मी बोल करके उनसे दोबारा क्वेश्चन आप पूछ सकते हो. बट वहां पे आपको कुछ भी आंसर करके बस आपको स्टेज नहीं खाली करके जाना है. ओके, सो प्लीज मेक श्योर यू आर putting up these efforts very nicely. So you should practice it out, be prepared, you have to speak slowly. आईने के आगे खड़े होकर के मुस्कुराते रहिए. किसी किसी को मुस्कुराने की बिल्कुल आदत नहीं है, पर दिन में आप 4 बार मुस्कुराओगे तो आपको 5वीं बार ऑटोमेटिकली आप मुस्कुराते ही रहोगे. अब ये मत बोल देना कि हमें कोई पागल बोलेगा. नहीं, आप फिनाले के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो. ओके, सो इट्स नॉट अबाउट दैट, इट्स अबाउट you're handling media, you're handling camera. You have to be camera friendly. You're handling audience, so your face needs that calmness, your face needs that smile, your face needs to show that no, we are positive enough, we are recipients कि आप जो बोल रहे हैं हम समझ रहे हैं. So very actively listen the questions of the jury and answer with calm and compose. Match your body language. आप कुछ और बोलना चाह रहे हो, बॉडी लैंग्वेज कुछ और बोल रही है, तो फिर वही एप्पल एंड ऑरेंज की कहानी फिर शुरू हो जाएगी. सो वी डोंट हैव टू डू दैट. यू हैव टू एक्चुअली मैच योर बॉडी लैंग्वेज. व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू आर स्पीकिंग, योर बॉडी लैंग्वेज शुड स्पीक वेरी पॉजिटिवली. ऐसा नहीं हो जाए कि आप स्माइल कर रहे हो बट योर हैंड्स आर टाइड अप, or you're not smiling but your hands are opening up. So these are all mismatch, और ये सब नर्वसनेस में होता है. हम लोगों ने ये सारी चीजें बहुत सालों से देखी है, तो इसमें कोई अनयूजुअल बात नहीं है, कोई घबराने वाली बात नहीं है. इसमें सिर्फ आपको कॉन्फिडेंस को ही बूस्ट अप करना है. और ये पॉइंटर्स अगर आप दिमाग में याद करके रखोगे, थोड़ा इसको रिवाइज करते रहोगे, हर दिन में 10 से 15 मिनट भी अपने बॉडी लैंग्वेज पे ध्यान दे दोगे, you are cutting the issue part, because body language plays very strong role, because your body language, your smile, the way you're walking, the way you are talking to the people, that really matters a lot, because you're not only being judged through question and answers, you're being judged for the entire process. वो जो 2 दिन 3 दिन की जर्नी होती है, that's the way you're being groomed up. Now we are meeting, though we are meeting virtually, and hence in future we will meet on a physical platform. So when you're meeting, your calmness, your composing, that all really matters a lot. So make sure your body language should not be very negative. Your body language should not be very offensive. क्योंकि लोग body language को सबसे पहले note करते हैं. Body language should not be very introvert or very extrovert. It has to be decent, simple enough. It does not matter if you're in media, or it does not matter if you're into modeling. You don't have to show it out. We all know that you're in a glam world. So but the people, when they come to a glam world, their entire body language changes it out. Yeah, this is the profession, so respect the profession. We need that level of respect. So your body language really speaks very loudly. So tame up your body language. When you're speaking it up, tame your hand movements. Speak when you're speaking up, tame up your eye contacts. आप किससे कैसे देख रहे हो, या आप किससे ऑडियंस को आप किस तरह से कनेक्ट कर रहे हो. So these things really will be working on your confidence very strongly. और ये ओवरनाइट नहीं होता है, मैं समझती हूँ इस बात को, इसीलिए अभी आपके पास काफी टाइम है प्रिपेयर करने का. Keep preparing yourself and keep talking to yourself good. And the other aspect is that center yourself. Now how you will be going to centering yourself? अभी मैंने बहुत बोल लिया, मैं ये क्वेश्चन आप लोगों से कर रही हूँ. How you guys are going to center yourself? Who is going to answer me this? Who is going to answer me this? Yeah. Please tell.
Ma'am, keep practicing.
Okay.
More
and
and more.
or what else? Keep practicing. Yeah, fine. Very nice. That's a good option.
And mirror exercise should be done every day.
Yes, you can do that. But you know something, I want to give you one a real good tip out here. How you will be going to center yourself. Center yourself का मतलब ये नहीं कि रैंप में सिर्फ मैं ही एक center हूँ. That's a wrong understanding. All right. Centering yourself is mean having a composedness, calmness in yourself, and that only comes with one piece of suggestion which you guys promised me. You people will be following it up. Work on your breathe. प्राण के ऊपर काम करना अभी से शुरू कर दो. आपके जो प्राण वायु जो है वो सबसे महत्वपूर्ण चीज होती है. तो हाउ यूर सेंटरिंग, इट कम्स थ्रू योर ब्रीथ. आपकी एंजाइटी ब्रीथनेस से ही, अच्छे ब्रीथ से ही जाएगी. आपका स्ट्रेस जो है वो अच्छे ब्रीथ से ही जाएगा. आपको जो एकदम जो इंस्टेंट जो एंजाइटी हो जाएगा या एंगरनेस आएगा, that only goes with your breathing. And trust me, after 21 days, when you follow these things for 21 days, you guys should tell me how you guys have felt it. And 110%, I'm talking in a public platform that you get good results. So थोड़ा सा breathing आप लोगों को practice करना ही है. अगर आप लोग newspapers पढ़ते होगे, and if you're reading good books and all, if you talk about not only about models and celebs, you talk about big people. They are also celebrity, good business tycoons. What they do a lot of mindfulness. They do a lot of meditation. They do a lot of, you can say, breathing exercises. And for that, they get up early. They improvise their lifestyle, you know. So अपने आप को center करने के लिए you need to start first from your breathe only. So when you breathe, when you take good amount of oxygen, there is a good flow of blood with good food, good oxygen. You'll develop a good relationship with your own self. And when you develop that, you will definitely center up your own self. Then comes, do not overly use your hands. Many models do it. When they talk, इतना होकर के फिर कुछ बोलता है. तो पहले मैं इतना देखूं कि पहले मैं बात सुनूं. So when I'm talking to you, if I'll do this, how you'll feel it? You'll not feel it good. Like, I mean, should we see your hand? Should we see your body language, or should we listen? So usage of hand should be in limits. But yes, my point over here is that your hand should not be tied up. You need to open it up, because that shows you're free to talk. When you're tying up your hand, that shows you're defensive. You're not ready to accept it out, you know. So your little hand movement is very good. An elegant movement of hands are very nice, especially when you are ramping or whenever you are talking, whenever you're having a question and answer. For us, we are a coach. So for us, the body language is different. For you people, the body language has to be very elegant. We are over here are the hand holders, we are the motivators, and we are mentoring you guys. So for me, I am not into rams, or I'm not into, modeling. For me, I'm a coach. So my hand movement is different, but your hand movement has to be very elegant. It has to be in a very sophisticated manner, because ultimately if you're doing overly play with your hands, लोगों की नजर आपके हाथ पे ज्यादा जाएगी rather than what you're speaking. So make sure you're not doing all these things. So I think these pointers are sufficient enough to make you confident. But how you become confident is when you start practicing that. Practice, practice and practice, and trust me, practice makes people perfect. ये pointers को आप अपने आगे के rampings में भी use करोगे, आई एम वेरी श्योर अबाउट इट कि एक कॉन्फिडेंस, एक वॉक, एक चार्म, ये बहुत अलग दिखेगा. एंड at the end of the day, even a fair skin gets a complex with a dark skin, or dark skin also gets a complex. But I tell you, in this platform, there should not be any complexity. There should be only confidence. Because अगर आप में confidence है, तो there is nothing. There is no complexities when you're competing with your own self. So don't ever think that my skin color, my face or my look, मैं उससे better. ये बहुत ऐसे questions आते हैं मुझे at the end of the session. मैं यहाँ पे यही बोलूंगी, do not give value to your color. Do not give value to anything. Just give value to your confidence, how beautifully you guys are carrying yourself, how fluently, whatever language you are using, fluently आप कितना अच्छे से बोलते हो. Not necessary you have to use English, not necessary you have to talk in flowery language. हमारी मातृभाषा भी बहुत अच्छी है, आप उसको यूज कर सकते हैं. आप इस्तेमाल करके भी आप पेजेंट जीत सकते हैं. सो कॉन्फिडेंस आपके ऊपर बहुत होना चाहिए, rather than envying and competing कि वो मुझसे बेटर है देखने में, या इसका फेयर स्किन है, या वो डस्की है. प्लीज डोंट कम विद दोज जेंडर कंपटीशन और जेंडर डिफरेंशिएशंस. ऐसी सी चीजें बिल्कुल अपने थॉट्स में मत लाओ. कम विद अ वेरी ओपन माइंड, come with a very positive mind, because you never know who is watching at you. कहाँ पे कौन मीडिया का लोग आ गया है, कहाँ पे कौन, मतलब this is a field where media people are connected, your industry is connected. You never know who is watching and how you get a good connect to it. So this is something, it's all about the game of confidence. The second game is about communication. मैंने communication को बहुत strong बनाने की सबको यही गुजारिश करी है. अपने जितने भी मैंने contestants मेरे पास आते हैं, तो मैं उनको यही बोलती हूँ, अपने communication पे भी आपको बहुत काम करना होगा और उम्दा काम करना होगा. Because ultimately आप जो बोलोगे वही present होगा. For example, person are too beautiful. There are people who are too beautiful, but they can't speak. So you cannot, nobody can give a sachet or crown to that person. When the person speaks out, that's where the real competition and challenge comes. So over here you have to communicate good. So always speak very clearly. अगर आपको किसी लैंग्वेज में कमांड नहीं है, प्लीज वहां पे एक्सपेरिमेंट मत करना. आपको जिस लैंग्वेज में कमांड है आप उसी लैंग्वेज में बोलिए, बट क्लियरली बोलिए, ताकि मैंने आपको वैसे भी समझाया है कि सामने वालों को आपका मैसेज मिलना चाहिए. ओके, सो योर कम्युनिकेशन हैज टू बी वेरी क्लियर. लिसन टू अंडरस्टैंड, नॉट टू रिस्पॉन्ड. दिस इज अ वेरी बिग पॉइंट इन कम्युनिकेशन स्किल. सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन rather than responding it out कि बस मुझे जो क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है, मुझे जो बोलना है, मुझे बस जैसे तैसे करके बोल के रैम खाली कर देना है. ये चीज नहीं होती है. So you have to respond it very nicely. You have to respond भी negative respond नहीं. You have to respond it in a positive way, and you have to have a proper respond. So just not you have to respond it out. And if you're not comfortable with the question, ask the jury to re-question, reframe it out. But the answer has to be properly given so that the other listeners can able to understand. 1 minute. Always take a moment to respond. हमेशा रिस्पॉन्ड करने से पहले सोचिए कि क्या ये आंसर क्या ये उत्तर सही होगा कि नहीं? 2 मिनट का ब्रीथ तो आप ले सकते हैं, और 2 मिनट का ब्रीथ लेना भी जरूरी है, बिकॉज यू आर एबल टू गैदरिंग योर सेल्फ. कम टू माई बैक पॉइंट, कॉन्फिडेंस का. गैदर योर सेल्फ, टेक अ गुड ब्रीथ, बी सेंटर्ड. When you're centered, when your nervous system is calm, you'll be able to listen properly. Then you will be able to respond positively. All right. So always take a moment to respond. Then pay attention to the tone and pitch. चीखना चिल्लाना बिल्कुल नहीं. सबको माइक में बहुत अच्छे से सुनाई देता है. थोड़ा सा माइक को बहुत पास भी नहीं लाना है, बहुत दूर भी नहीं ले जाना है, बहुत ज्यादा धीरे भी नहीं बोलना है, बहुत फास्ट भी नहीं बोलना है. वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन होना जरूरी है, बिकॉज वॉइस इज ऑल्सो ब्यूटी, बिकॉज वॉइस इज द ओनली थिंग विच वी आर हियरिंग इट आउट. सो योर वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन शुड बी इन अ प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट. ऑलवेज हैव एन आई कॉन्टैक्ट. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप एक को बस देख रहे हो. सो आई एम लुकिंग एट यू. आई एम नॉट लुकिंग एट एनीवन. द एंटायर ऑडियंस इज लुकिंग एट यू, and entire audience is there to vote. So why not to have a good eye contact with everyone, every surrounding, starting from where 180 डिग्री का पूरा आप देखिए, सबको मुस्कुराइए, खुशी से देखिए. सब ऑडियंस आपको देखने के लिए तो आए हैं. yes or no? and don't overly do your makeup please. कि मैं कौन से कंटेस्टेंट का फोटो देखी हूँ और कौन कंटेस्टेंट सामने आ गया है. सो डू नॉट. अगर आपको जो मेकअप आर्टिस्ट अच्छे से मेकअप कर रहे हो तो उनको प्लीज मत बोलो ये भी लगाओ वो भी लगाओ. बहुत इंस्ट्रक्शंस आते हैं, ये सब हम लोगों ने प्रैक्टिकली फेस किया है. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ योर कम्युनिकेशन. डू नॉट ओवरली प्ले विथ योर makeup. Makeup is an integral part, essential part. But if you start overly playing with it, तो patches और ये सब चीज, nowadays we have got all good products, but do not start instructing. Those people are trained professionals. I have seen many contestants doing कि आपने highlighter को बहुत ज्यादा bright नहीं किया है, तो ये नहीं किया है. Don't do that. Just leave it to them and give your best out here. I've already told, work on your body language, because it's a biggest communication tool, body language. Positive body language works wonder. It invites audience, it invites people. You are able to connect well, you're able to contact well. Negative and introvert do not work in this industry. I'm telling you upfront. Being reserved is different, being introvert is different. तो बहुत ज्यादा introvert होकर के आप कुछ बोलोगे ही नहीं, communicate ही नहीं करोगे. जहाँ communicate करना है, you can. The rest is, it's a professional platform. So how to build up the relationship is purely on you guys. But yes, body language works as a very big tool, because that reflects what type of model you are aspiring to be. Are you going to be the winner or not? Because it's all about the game of confidence. So in दोनों slides में कोई question, कोई doubt? The celebrity lifestyle is, yes, Avinash.
Yes, ma'am. I have one question. Like, if you told is confidence is a good thing, okay? So in that question answer round, for example, so in that time I don't know the answer, okay? But I never lose my confidence. So in that time, what will happen? What they are thinking and everything will come under mind in that time, that situation. So. इन दैट हम क्या कर सकता है? फुल कंफ्यूजन होता है, बट कॉन्फिडेंस लूज नहीं होता. सो इन दैट सिचुएशन कैसे हैंडल कर सकते हैं?
सी देखिए, पहली बात है कि क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर राउंड के लिए आपको अच्छा प्रिपरेशन का टाइम मिलता है. दूसरी बात है, कोई आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड तो आपको क्वेश्चन मिलेगा नहीं. जो मिलेगा दैट विल बी यस. सो वट एवर क्वेश्चन यू आर गेटिंग द क्वेश्चन प्योरली रिलेटेड टू दिस यूनिवर्स इटसेल्फ. So there's nothing Einstein related तो कोई क्वेश्चन होने वाला नहीं, क्योंकि साइंस कंपटीशन, मैथ्स कंपटीशन तो है नहीं. तो ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं कि आप क्वेश्चन का आंसर कर ही नहीं पाओगे. आप डेफिनेटली कर पाओगे. जस्ट कीप योरसेल्फ लिटिल अपडेटेड. थोड़ा जनरल नॉलेज का अवेयरनेस अच्छा होना चाहिए आप में. Because I have been to good pageants also, where they really look into the good GK, how basic socio-economic knowledge you have. तो ये तो एक educated इंसान में definitely होता है. तो I don't think so, Avinash, it's a tough thing for you to crack it out.
No. Just just come under mind what will happen that time. Yeah, that
What
is
will
our question.
happen is a future tense.
Yeah,
And to
in
make,
future.
yeah, 1 minute, to make your future, you have to make your present. आज
Yeah,
का जो दिन है,
exactly.
because it's a gift, present is a gift. So why don't
Yeah.
you beautify your present? तो जो मैंने सिखाया है उसको तो आप present में apply करो, future तो आपको जीता ही देगी.
Yeah, thank you so much.
और हम लोग जैसे कोच बैठे हैं ना, you're doubting on our calibers or what? I'm just joking. So these pointers will surely you'll get it. You'll get a lot of benefit out of it, to be speaking on a positive note. So just follow these basic pointers. इससे ज़्यादा आप क्या कर सकते हो? Because already you are into a beautiful industry. It's all about your hard work, your dedication, how much discipline you are. So in all these aspects, if you start doing a practice, I'm sure whatever is your goal, you may achieve it. Okay, the third aspect is healthy living.
I have a question.
Sure.
You told like work on the breathing, like how to work on that?
Basic. यहाँ पे मैं spirituality बिल्कुल नहीं propaganda कर रही हूँ. यहाँ पे मैं simple बोल रही हूँ. Breathing in and out. Watch in your breathe in and out, and just make sure you're just thoughtless. And if any thought comes, just flush it out, because you need to keep your brain calm. And for further, you can definitely get into a lot of videos, are good videos of mindfulness and on breathings are available, so you can do that. Whatever suits you. I'm really not advocating any spirituality out here. I'm just advocating scientific techniques which really works. And breathing is really a proven scientific techniques, because I have a lot of clients who are, some of them are cancer patient, some of them are diabetic with the obesity. So उनके लिए ये जो है बहुत ब्रह्मास्त्र का काम किया है. ये तो हमारे क्लाइंट की बात आती है. यहाँ पे मॉडल्स भी आते हैं जिनको एंजाइटीज हो जाती है स्टेज पे चढ़ने से पहले, तो उसको प्रिपेयर करने के लिए आपको शुरू से थोड़ी ब्रीदिंग्स पे तो ध्यान देना ही होगा. तीसरा एस्पेक्ट आप लोग के फील्ड में, because this is just, you have started, you guys have just started, that's why I asked how many are trained models out here. यहाँ पे जहाँ पे trained models आते हैं, तो उनके लिए स्ट्रेस एंजाइटी इज समथिंग लाइक अ पॉपिंग अप अ पॉपकॉर्न. तो पिल्स पॉप अप करने से अच्छा है वर्क ऑन योर ब्रीदिंग्स. इट विल लास्ट लॉन्गर.
Thank you so much.
Any other questions? I'll be happy. पहले थर्ड एस्पेक्ट भी हम लोग कवर अप करते हैं ना. तो थर्ड एस्पेक्ट ऑफ सेलिब्रिटी लिविंग, सेलिब्रिटीज should look good always, and not only just by putting up makeup. Internally also they should be healthy. Models should be healthy. उनकी internal glow भी होनी चाहिए. तो वो कैसे हो सकता है? It is only possible with good food, good sleep, good you can say having good amount of water, drinking good water, avoiding stress. If anybody is obese, they can help themselves to reduce weight. If somebody is too thin, they can have a good food and exercise and work on muscle mass, not by fat masses. So by regular exercises, breathings, by having a balanced diet, by having a good enough of sleep, enough of good food, you can definitely owe a good healthy living. And it's not only about celebrity. I believe every individual must do it. Every individual must work on their own self, and that's our right, because this is the life and this is a beautiful gift. And if we are gifting ourselves with good food, we are, our body is gifting us the glow. The body is gifting us by keeping a disease at bay, by age at bay. Dekho, aging is a inevitable process, but aging before the age is not a right thing. So that shows your degeneration of your skin, that shows the degeneration of your body. So to keep it healthy, make sure you eat healthy, make sure you avoid stress. How you avoid stress? By centering yourself. I've told how you center it, by breathing it, reducing your, if anybody is onto a higher side, they can work by having a good meal, रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज, बिकॉज हैप्पी हॉर्मोन्स भी चाहिए हमें. तो हफ्ते में 4 से 5 बार तो आपको एक्सरसाइज करना चाहिए. And just not because you people are coming to modeling or ramping. It's because exercise should be like drinking water and eating food, because body is a temple. So हमें अपने temple को प्रसाद के रूप में हर दिन exercise देना चाहिए, and have lot of water, because our 70% of body is made up of water. And if you're not drinking enough of water, we are just dehydrating. Just हमें प्यास लग रही है तो हमें पानी पीना है. That's not a correct idea, you know. So have good amount of water in between. And water is also, I believe the water जितना आप लोगे, water का तो कितना मैं बोलूं गुण बहुत ही कम है. So you can have good amount of water that will keep your fatigueness away, that will even keep you away from dehydration, that will make your skin better, that will keep your stress at bay. तो बहुत water is something people think कि हाँ जब मुझे प्यास लगेगी तब मैं पीऊंगा या पीऊंगी. That's a good not a good notion, you know. And finally, sleep. I mean, believe me, every problem starts from bad sleep. People are nowadays are not getting sleep. ये पहले तो लगता था कि old age वालों को sleep नहीं आती है, but आजकल तो young generations, I mean, what they are doing it out. They're too much into socializing. They're too much into Netflixing. They're too much into Hotstars. तो वो सोचते हैं कि sleep को हम थोड़ा सा, sideline कर दें. But that's a wrong, and that's a absolutely, I will never advocate. I'm just sharing my personal experience. I cannot stay awake after certain time, और मैं shows में जाती हूँ तो मेरे लिए बड़ा challenging हो जाता है, क्योंकि मुझे एक point of time के बाद मन करता है कि मैं मेरा बिस्तर लूं और मैं आराम से सोऊं, because sleep is a beauty. I mean, sleep is something everybody needs. If you get a good sleep, your eyes will twinkle, your skin will look fresh, supple, and your entire body mechanism will function it. आप अच्छे से सो के उठो, क्या freshness feel होता है. आप आराम से आप अच्छा healthy खाओ, अच्छा पियो, you will feel a difference in your own self within 21 days. And when you're not getting enough of sleep, every system gets haywire. If you have a stress, then try to avoid stress. And I believe in today's scenario, who is not having stress? And Corona has given lot of, has lot of pressed a stress button. But then what is in our hand? In our hand is that to avoid stress, because we cannot get influenced by the outside stress. So how to avoid it out? Do a mindful eating, do a good exercise, do take enough of good sleep. You'll see miraculously difference in your life. So this is what I would like to speak on 3 aspects. I'm there on Insta, by the way, with the name of Dr. Sonal _Purohit _25. If you have any question to anything related to lifestyle, health, you can talk to me. Just to give you an insight about it, last month I was covered up in News 24. It was the national news. I was covered up. Last month I was also covered up in various newspapers also, to name it like Samna, Dainik Prabhat, Pudhari. All these newspapers I have been covered up. I have given sessions to Pune, Maharashtra Police. So I have been covered Lokmat also. So I've spoken about the essence of lifestyle to these police people. And there's a Samarth police station which is there in Pune. They have kept me as the health coach. So all the police people, they are undergoing with a lot of stress. बहुत तकलीफों से जाते हैं बेचारे, तो उनके बहुत बार questions होते हैं, उनको sessions देना रहता है. And these sessions went so well. Now, like in the coming month, I'll be addressing the entire Maharashtra police also. I'm with the blessing of all my well wishes. So I'm purely into lifestyle. So my Insta account I have already told. So if you guys, apart from this session, मैं बिल्कुल Q&A का time दे रही हूँ, ऐसा मत सोचिए कि मैं भाग रही हूँ. मैं just आपको बोल रही हूँ कि आपको apart from this session, if you have any queries also, you can ping me on Insta anytime. I'll be always be there. I'll be happy to help people, and especially contestants जिनके यहाँ पे the finales are near and tensions are mounting, So now I think I have spoken a lot, and I have touched all the 3 aspects. So my presentation is done, and you guys have been such a patient listener. Now you guys can bombard me. कर दो question answer से. Who is going to shoot up the question answers? Yes, now we are going into Q&A.
Thank you so much, Sonal. Hi, Sonal.
Thank you. Yes, Nirupama. Great to see you. Thank you for inviting me and making me part of your very upcoming beautiful event.
Sure, sir.
And I'm very sure I'll be meeting these guys very soon. Samne samne.
Yes, 25th September finale.
Yes. And we are eagerly waiting for that finale. I'm also excited. कोई बात नहीं, there's no problem. आप पूरा फोरम है, हम बिल्कुल सबको टाइम दे रहे हैं, जिनको जितना क्वेश्चन आंसर्स अगर इस मंच में कंफर्ट हो, there is no problem to it. I hope Renu, you have taken a snapshots, हाँ, क्योंकि बहुत अच्छा फोरम हमें मिला है, लोगों ने अपना पर फेस नहीं दिखाया है, मुझे अच्छे स्नैपशॉट्स लेने थे, मतलब beautiful contestants, very vibrating contestants I have got. We have got it over here.
They are very fine.
So सिर्फ और कौन है यहाँ पे, कोई है कि नहीं है? Why nobody is talking?
Camera on करो सब.
Let's have a nice photograph together. So switch on your cameras, please. And we have been.
Your screen photograph photo will be get clear. Only photo will be come.
What happened, guys? Don't worry, you don't have to be in makeup. Sometimes casual looks are also good. I'm also purely into casuals.
बोला कि आपका स्क्रीन जो आपने शेयर किया ना पावर पॉइंट, वो अगर ऑन शेयर करेंगे तो फुल पेज में आएगा सबका, तो ये साइड में आ रहा है।
तो इसको मैं अभी ये कर दूं क्या?
सिर्फ ऑन शेयर
sharing the screen.
Wait. Yeah. Let me come to this Sattva. Fair enough. Fair enough, भैया, ठीक है ना?
नहीं, आपका पूरा ऑन स्क्रीन
नहीं, I think Sonal, you'll have to stop sharing. अभी वो view actually it's getting the side view, right?
So I should stop sharing it.
Yeah. Then the entire thing will be covered on the screen.
Okay.
Right?
Understood. Is this fine?
No.
Is this fine? Okay. Yeah, we are done with it. Bhaiya, we are done with it. We are done with it, na Bhaiya?
Mute.
Who, me?
No, Deep Bhaiya.
Or not yet.
अच्छा, not yet. Till then, you guys can question answer me. कुछ सवाल जवाब है तो पूछिए ना.
I'll capture now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, guys. Any question answers?
Yeah, ma'am. So I want to ask a question, which is not very, I don't know if it's very relevant, but I still want to ask it. I mean, when the introduction text came about your session, it was written as celebrity lifestyle, or in fact, even you introduced it as a celebrity lifestyle. But when you unveiled the presentation, I realized that it was more about mindfulness or about a good living, as you also told during the session. So why exactly is it called a celebrity lifestyle? I mean, it's like a general lifestyle, the good lifestyle that everybody needs to have.
Yes, you have only answered my question. First of all, I would like to say that you don't have to, weigh the question it out that it is relevant or not. Okay. Why this mindfulness I have spoken about, or confidence building, because that's a stepping stone for any celebrity lifestyle. Luxury, money, anything will come. But to achieve that, don't you think you need to have these basic ingredients? And there are people who believe that we are paying, so we will be getting this. We can get whatever we want. But at one point of time, there are people who are genuinely, they are looking for, they want to work in this industry. And this is a stepping stone to become a celebrity. You need to have self good relationship. You need to be confident enough to face the people. You need to develop that communication skills to handle the people, to handle the media, to handle the all these things. So these are the generalized one, but yes, these are the basic one. I would not be talking, you guys are very fresh, so I cannot talk about luxury. I cannot talk about self brand management, because that's also part of a celebrity lifestyle management. How to market, I cannot talk on those things. That will be like on a second or third stage of your career. We'll definitely going to meet it for that also. But initial stage, don't you think we need to work it from a ground level?
Right. Got it, ma'am. Got it. Thank you.
Any other questions? संध्या, आप सबसे छोटे दिख रहे हो मुझे. आप ही यहाँ पे बता दीजिए, कुछ है आपको? She's a child. I mean, she's looking a child. Any questions? कुछ पूछना है आपको? Yes, रेखा.
हाँ, हम लोग किचन से निकल के मॉडल बन रहे हैं, तो इसी बीच में क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप हमारे लिए?
अरे पहले तो मैं आपको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट बोलना चाहूंगी, क्योंकि आप वुमेन से सुपर वुमेन बन रही है. उससे ज्यादा और मैं आपको क्या बोल सकती हूँ. किचन के बाद आपने, मतलब किचन में हो तब तो आप अन्नपूर्णा हो, क्योंकि आप तो अन्न के बारे में अपने परिवार के लिए सोच रही है. किचन से बाहर निकल रही है, तभी तो आप अपने लिए भी सोच रही है. तो आप तो सुपर वुमेन हो. इसी में तो आपने फतेह हासिल कर ली है
जी 50 साल के बाद.
अरे this is something where you're reviving. Age is again it's आपको लगेगा मैं डायलॉग है या घिसी पिटी बात है, बट एक्चुअली एज इज अ नंबर. आप लोगों को मेरा बैकग्राउंड नहीं पता. मैंने 10 साल प्रोफेसर गिरी की है. आई वॉज अ प्रोफेसर. मैं MBA फाइनेंस हूँ, PhD हूँ. आई एम प्रोडक्ट एंड आई वॉज वर्किंग एज एन HOD इन माई डिपार्टमेंट. बट एक बार मुझे जोश आ गया कि बस अब मुझे नहीं करना है, मुझे अपना कुछ करना है. एंड आई जस्ट रिवाइव माई करियर and I was settled with my career. 10 years teaching was good enough for MBA, and my life was set. HOD के बाद क्या director. But then I wanted to do something. My passion was there in me. So age is just a number. I mean, anybody can do it. Just follow your heart.
Ma'am, after listening to your background, I have another question. So what exactly did you do in order to start this venture? Or like if somebody wants to join you, what exactly are you looking at in the person?
Joining is a different question. Who wants to join me is a different thing. Right now we are not in a hiring mode.
I meant to ask if somebody has interest in this area, then
okay.
Then how do you evaluate, or what are the prerequisites that you are looking for in a person who
see you can read, you can research it out, you can do anything, but until unless if you don't have a passion towards it, it's not like a winning anything. So I had a passion towards it and I started with free of cost. मैं जिम में जाती थी, मेरे दोस्त मुझसे बोलते थे यार 6 पैक का डाइट दे दो, मैं वहीं पे उनको पेपर में लिख के दे देती थी. वो उतना पैशन था मुझे. I used to look for free of audience कि मेरी बात कोई I was talking about the passion. So I had passion. So that was one thing which really pulled me into this profession. Yes, any other question? Come.
Ma'am, you were telling about the diet plans. Okay.
Yes.
So, like, it will be obviously on individually, or you will be giving diet plans, right? So I'll just connect with you and Insta for that.
You can take my number also from Deep sir. Deep bhaiya se aap le sakte ho.
Okay, okay.
Abhilasha, did I answer your question? For me, passion was one thing which I was, I had a fire in my belly कि I should do something. DOD or DOB में कुछ करने की इच्छा थी. DOB is my date of birth and DOD is the date of death. I don't know. उसके बीच में हमारे पास एक gift है. So I wanted to utilize that.
Got it, ma'am. Got it. So actually, I'm asking you all these questions because lately I have developed a lot of interest in this area.
Okay.
So sometimes even I feel that maybe I would want to pursue this, not right now, but definitely sometime later I would want to pursue this. And
you can pursue anything.
I do not want to pursue it as a career, but maybe to help out people, I would want to do it. In fact, बीच में मैंने एक बार ऐसा सोचा भी था कि मैं इंस्टा पे एक प्रोफाइल बनाऊं and there maybe I can start sharing some of the tips or tricks or whatever the diets that work for people who have similar issues like me. So ऐसा भी मेरे दिमाग में आया था, but then I'm like, I don't know, I'm too shy to do it as of now. But
please don't feel at all. Don't feel at all shy. I mean, हम लोग मिलेंगे तो और भी बहुत सारी stories I'll share it. I mean, how it started and all. There are many things to be talked about. But yes, in a nutshell, my passion was there. I wanted to do it. And when I left job, trust me, I had no inclination for making my own company also. मैं तो आराम से बैठती थी तो my father used to get, this is a personal thing I'm sharing with all my friends. My father used to come at times at my home and he used to say, why you left job? I mean, मेरी एक ही बेटी हो, तुम्हें इतना पढ़ाया मैंने और तुम घर पे बैठ के टाइम पास कर रही हो, नेटफ्लिक्स के सीरीज देख रही हो, तो ये देख रही हो. तो मैंने कहा हाँ मुझे मन नहीं है, मैंने बहुत साल काम किया है, प्राइवेट जॉब किया है. My father got very angry and he stopped talking to me. And then he used to tell my husband कि why Sonal has left the job. So my husband says it's okay, she has left the job, what a big deal, she doesn't want to work. So then my father used to feel ki why somebody will leave such a high profile job, because I was the youngest in Pune University to be an HOD of my department. So this was something, a recognition which I got. So my father was like, he never understood it. He said PhD, वो भी PhD की भी, MBA finance है, ये है वो है. So my father was never happy with this decision. But now when he sees my interview, when he sees every day my news clippings, अभी परसों मैंने आपको मेरे इंस्टा पे मैं लिंक आप लोगों को भेज दूंगी, परसों मैंने रीजनल न्यूज पे दिया था, मेरा सेशन आया था. So when he sees, then he says, good, you are into a very nice sector now, and he's accepting it out. I mean, my daughter is doing it into it and she's enjoying. And trust me, it's not about commercialization, it's not about money and all. When you get a sense of satisfaction, जब यहाँ पे मैं इस मंच पे आती हूँ और जब मैं आप लोग मुझसे सवाल करके आपको एक satisfactory आंसर भी मिलता है और 1% भी किसी के लाइफ में बेनिफिट होता है ना, तो I think that's the biggest reward which I'm getting it out and I'm very happy with it.
Yeah, I think I can see that happiness in you, and that's why I felt that sometime, I mean, corporate career तो हो गया, like you should get a taste of life. एक ही है, like DOB और DOD जो आपने कहा वो एक ही है. Exactly. तो जितना कुछ करना था वो सब कर लिया है. अभी ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ और भी करूं, something which is
जहाँ दिल बोले आपको वो कीजिए. आप अपने दिल को सुनिए. अभी तो आपने अपना दिल को चुन लिया, आप ये सेक्टर में आ रहे हो. This is something very nice. And now there is no age bar also. अब तो age का कोई बात भी नहीं आता है. Now तो anybody can join it. Who are middle age, who are mama, who are of any age. It's not, when you carry your confidence, when you carry your inner strength, and you can rock the stage. Fire it on.
Yeah. My daughter also found the conversation so interesting that she was
trying to so nice. Okay. Which part? Hey, hi, how are you?
Ravisha,
कहाँ रहती हो तुम?
Say hi. कहाँ रहती हो बेटा? बॉम्बे रहती हूँ।
बॉम्बे, अरे बॉम्बे बहुत पास है, बॉम्बे से पुणे बहुत पास है, हम तो अब जरूर मिलेंगे। और आपका चॉकलेट ड्यू है जब आप मिलोगे रविशा मुझसे।
नहीं दूर नहीं है, इधर ही है।
हाँ ठीक है बेटा, ओके ओके।
I'll come soon to meet you. Yes.
Yeah.
All the best to every contestant. I think I have tried my best to, with my limited knowledge, with my capacity, I've tried to answer it out. If you have still any queries, आप बिल्कुल मुझसे कनेक्ट कीजिए। अगर लगता है कुछ पर्सनल बात करनी है, कुछ क्वेश्चन करना है, भैया के पास मेरा नंबर है, आप बिल्कुल बेझिझक एक टाइम लेकर के आप बात कर सकती हैं। और मेरा इंस्टा अकाउंट भी है, आप बिल्कुल उसमें भी आप बिल्कुल मुझसे कनेक्ट पे रहिए, मुझे बहुत खुशी होगी, है ना, ये एसोसिएशन हमारा ऐसे ही बरकरार रहे। चलिए अब मुझे इजाजत दीजिए आप लोग। मैं बहुत उत्सुक हूँ। आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू मीट यू गाइज ऑन 25th of September. The finale is very near and I'll be meeting you guys.
Thank you, Sonal. It was a very wonderful and elaborated and a well-defined session. And I'm sure that the contestants must not be having enough question and answer, but they must be having a lot of takeaways, So, yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, guys, see you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Bye.
Yes. Bye-bye. Take care.